everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm trying out another wig today. This one is from Luvme Hair. This is one of their special limited designs. It's the Ombre Blonde Blunt Cut Silky Straight Glueless 5x5 Closure Lace Wig. As always, Luvme Hair did an amazing job with the packaging. They included everything that you need to install this glueless wig. They also sent me these really cool sunglasses, which I thought was really nice, so thank you. Now, this video is actually going to be pretty short because this wig itself is very easy and simple to install. This wig has standard cap construction. There are 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. There is a comb in the middle. There are adjustable straps in the back, and there is also an adjustable elastic band. The lace on this unit does come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-parted. However, I will be changing up the part a little bit to fit the shape of my face. This is a 10-inch bob, and there is an option on the website to order your wig pre-cut. As you can see here, my wig did not come with pre-cut lace. I like to show you all what the wigs look like straight out of the box. That way you know what you're gonna get when you order this wig. So this is exactly what it looks like before I do any styling, parting, or anything to it. I haven't even touched the lace yet. And you all will see throughout the video that this wig actually required a very minimal effort. I really didn't have to do too much styling or manipulating to make it look right on me. Once I cut the lace, I did go in with my foundation to sort of tint it and make it more of my skin tone. And here I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the shade Truffle. And like I mentioned before, this wig did come pre-parted. It came parted on the right side. And although I didn't have any issues with the part, I have been feeling more of a C part, that little curved part lately, and this wig came with a very straight part, so I just went in and fixed that and kind of gave it a little curve. And once I got the part situated to where I wanted it, I went in with my True Edge wax stick from Mika K, and I used that to smooth and place the hairs down, and then set it, with a hot comb, the same way you do it any wig install. Made sure that the roots were really flat. I debated really hard on whether or not I should do baby hairs on this wig. I did a little bit in the front, but I was like, this wig really does not require baby hairs. So I brushed the little baby hairs that I created back into the hairline, and it honestly looks so much better and more natural that way. And then I went and cleaned up the hairline with the same foundation that I used to tint the lace, just because I really wanted a nice, crisp, clean part, and it looked really amazing. You see the little baby hairs. It was cute, but it wasn't necessary for this wig. This wig really looks great on its own as is. And once I was completely finished with the wig install, I added some more bronzer and contour to my hairline to match the makeup that I was wearing, and this is the final look. I did not glue this wig down. There is no spray, no gel, no nothing. I can take this wig off if I want to with no issues. And actually the lace on this unit is really amazing, and I love the color. It says Ombre Blonde on the website. To me, this is not a blonde. This is more like a dark, like a light brown. In terms of bundles, I would say it's a number 30, almost a 27. It's a 27 in certain lighting, but it's like a number 30, if you know what I mean. But this wig is really great. It's super cute. It's one of the easiest wigs I've ever installed. It literally took me all of like 10 minutes. And that's mainly because of my personal preferences in changing the wig. But straight out of the box, it was amazing. And then you can style it any way you want from there. I love this wig. Thank you, Luvme Hair, for sending me this beautiful flowy bob. It is so cute. It's definitely a all-season wig. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video.